Today, I'm going to show you how to add an Add to Cart button in Wix, step by step, in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix editor and let your website fully load. On the left-hand side, click Add Elements. Scroll down and select Store from the list of elements. Choose the style of button you like and click Add to Page. Once the button is on your page, click it to open the settings. Here, you can link it to a product in your Wix store by selecting Add to Cart and choosing the product you want it to correspond to. You can also customize the button's text, color, size, and font to match your website design. Take your time adjusting it so it looks perfect. After everything is set, make sure to save your work. Now your visitors can click the button to add products directly to their cart. And that's it. Your Add to Cart button is now ready and fully functional on your Wix website. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.